Imagine waking up one morning, and suddenly, banking systems around the world become vulnerable. Government secrets begin leaking. Military communication networks become breakable. Cryptocurrency wallets start getting hacked. Private messages no longer feel private, and the internet itself begins losing trust. Not because of a virus, not because of cyber criminals, but because humanity finally built a machine powerful enough to break modern encryption itself. A machine capable of solving problems today's computers would need millions of years to crack. That moment has a name, Q-Day, and some experts believe the countdown may have already begun. Right now, almost everything in the digital world depends on encryption. Your passwords, bank transactions, private conversations, medical records, national security systems. Even the tiny lock icon you see in your browser represents layers of mathematical protection, quietly defending your digital life every second. Modern civilization runs on encrypted trust, because today's computers struggle to solve certain mathematical problems efficiently. Some calculations are so difficult that even the world's fastest supercomputers would take millions of years to solve them. That difficulty is what protects the internet. But quantum computing may change that forever. And when it does, the rules of cybersecurity could completely collapse. To understand Q-Day, you first need to understand why quantum computers are different. Traditional computers use bits. A bit can only exist in one state at a time, 0 or 1. But quantum computers work differently. Instead of bits, they use qubits. And qubits follow the strange laws of quantum physics. A qubit can exist as 0 and 1 simultaneously. This phenomenon is called superposition. And when multiple qubits work together, their processing power can grow exponentially. Quantum computers are not just faster computers. They are an entirely different type of machine. Machines designed to solve certain problems in ways traditional computers simply cannot. And one of those problems is encryption. Q-Day refers to the moment when quantum computers become powerful enough to break widely used encryption systems. Systems currently protecting global banking, military infrastructure, and the internet itself. One of the biggest concerns involves something called public key cryptography. This technology protects everything from online payments to secure websites. Today, breaking these encryption systems is practically impossible for normal computers. But future quantum machines could potentially solve them dramatically faster. That is why Q-Day is one of the most important technological threats of the future. But here's where things become even more unsettling. Some experts warn about something called harvest now, decrypt later. The idea is simple, but terrifying. Hackers or foreign governments could already be stealing massive amounts of encrypted data today, even if they cannot read it yet. Why? Because they may be waiting for future quantum computers powerful enough to decrypt it later. Right now, the world's biggest powers are competing to dominate quantum computing. Google, IBM, Microsoft, China, the United States. Because quantum computing is no longer just science fiction, it is scientific and geopolitical power. In 2019, Google announced that its quantum processor achieved a milestone known as quantum supremacy. Since then, the race has accelerated dramatically, and nobody wants to fall behind. The good news is that researchers are already developing post-quantum cryptography, new encryption systems specifically designed to survive quantum attacks. This is now one of the largest cybersecurity transitions in human history. What makes Q-Day so fascinating is that quantum computing is not purely dangerous. It could revolutionize medicine, accelerate drug discovery, and solve advanced chemistry problems. Quantum machines could push artificial intelligence to unimaginable levels. The same technology that threatens digital trust could also unlock scientific breakthroughs beyond imagination. And that contradiction is what makes Q-Day both terrifying and extraordinary. Q-Day is not just about computers. It is about trust itself. The future of computing is coming faster than most people realize, and whether Q-Day becomes a disaster or a breakthrough depends entirely on what we do next. Now you know.